are we gonna do today?
We are going to prepare slime and
Russian specialty.
kissel.
Kissel. What is kissel? Can you explain it a little bit?
Kissel, it's something with a lot of gluten and nothing more.
And is it?
And it says that it's very full of vitamins.
Okay, but you cannot get this stuff in
It's something
Czech,
like,
no?
it's actually it's Russian traditional slime.
Russian traditional slime. Okay.
And you
Russian
can,
speciality. Yeah?
Yes, and you can drink it.
Yeah, normally.
The more slime you drink, the better you are. The happier you are.
And it's something what is.
We have something with cranberries and we use forest berries.
Okay, so where can you get this?
You need
stuff?
to go to Kolobok. It's a Russian shop.
Okay, how we are gonna cook it?
We just put it in the water and boil.
Okay, and what's the proportion? It's written that it's you need to put a bit boiled water, but like cold boiled water, and
You put it in cold water and then you boil it.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, we have hot water in other room. Because we have this special post-apocalyptic landscape for cooking.
What happened with your room? Some slime came?
Roof is on fire. Roof is on water. Look, it looks very interesting. It looks
Like some powder, yes, or it's like a brick of some tasty Russian specialty.
It looks like washing powder. With very big piece of washing powder. It's already very slimy. Only did you wash it before?
This one? But it was
I don't know if I want to drink it.